Now, this particular feature I'm about to talk about on today's channel is something that can actually get you a lot of views on YouTube. But I'm surprised that a lot of content creators do not even talk about this particular feature. And this is something that affects both big content creators and small content creators alike. And if you can actually focus on this just one key feature in your channel, it is really going to change the narrative for you and get you more views, and of course get you to your 4,000 watch hours quickly, and you will get monetized on YouTube as long as your channel is eligible for monetization. Because whether you are doing what you love on YouTube or you're doing what you don't love on YouTube, you want to ensure that you are paying, you are getting paid for your efforts, because you are putting in efforts into creating this thing. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through this particular thing and how you can actually help yourself so that this particular thing would work in your favor. So this is a good time to give this video a thumbs up so it can get to a lot more people like you and me. Everybody needs to learn, everybody needs to grow on YouTube. No gatekeeping, no selfishness on this YouTube street. And of course, you're welcome to join this family. That means subscribe now. Now let's get into it. Now, what am I talking about? If you go over to your YouTube studio, you will see what's called average view duration. This is in a particular section of your YouTube video. And I don't know if you've ever wondered why sometimes you create a video as long as 10 minutes, 8 minutes, or even more. And guess what? You go over to your average view duration, and what are you going to see there? 2 minutes, 1 minute 48 seconds, 1 minute 50 seconds. Why? You know that this is the reason you keep creating videos and videos and videos, and at the same time you are not getting to your watch, like your watch hours will just be crawling. So now, how is this average view duration calculated? Normally, from our normal mathematics in school, okay, if you want to create the average number of something, calculate the total number of that thing divided by the number of people on that particular thing. So now let's bring it into YouTube. Let's assume let us use a 10 minutes video, for example. Let's assume you create a 10 minutes video on your channel, and 10 people come on your channel to watch that video. Now let's assume 3 people or 4 out of those 10 people are very loyal to you, like they love you so much. So those 4 people, they watched your video from the start to finish. That means they watched the whole 10 minutes of that particular video. Number one thing it is doing for you, aside the average view duration, number one thing is it is helping to increase your watch hours very fast. How? Once you have, okay, let's assume you have a 10 minutes video and 6 people watch from the beginning to the end. Automatically from 6 people, you've gotten 1 watch hour. So imagine you are getting people to watch from the beginning to the end, from the beginning to the end. Immediately or in no time, you are going to get your 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, because you upload a lot of videos and you're consistent. But unfortunately, you will see people come and they will watch for it to just be like you. At the end of the day, after uploading like a 10 minutes video, you will see YouTube reading it, giving you an average view duration of 2 minutes. That means you're obviously doing some things that are wrong, and we're going to tackle those things in today's video. So now, like I was saying, let's assume 4 people, they actually love you so much, so they watched from beginning to the end. That means you got 10 minutes from them, from each of those 4 people. Now there are some people that would come and maybe they'll just come and just click on your video, skip, fast forward. After they've watched this, they're out. Now they might have skipped from the beginning to the end, but they only watched for maybe like 2 minutes. If you can count all the skipping, maybe they skipped, they paused, watched a little, skip, they paused, watched a little, maybe some seconds, skips, they paused, watched some seconds. That means they did not actually give you 10 minutes of their time to watch that particular video. So now let's assume those remaining 6 people, they kept watching like that. Maybe one person gave you 2 minutes out of them, the other person gave you 4 minutes out of that one, the other person gave you 5 minutes. At the end of the day, you will calculate the number of time spent by each person over 10. So let's assume you have 10, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you understand? If we calculate it, okay, let me just get my calculator. Okay, so this is my calculator. So let us do 10, right? 10. So these are the first 4 people, right? Then the next person, 2 minutes. That's the 5th person. The 6th person gave you 4 minutes. The 7th person gave you 4 minutes. The 8th person gave you 2 minutes. The ninth person even gave you 1 minute. Then the 10th person gave you maybe 4 minutes. Just do equals to. So that's 57 now divided by 10. So that means the average view duration you got from those 10 people is actually 5.7. Do you understand? So now that you know the problem, let us now look at how to tackle it. Now, the very first thing is this. You want to be ensuring that people are watching your videos from the beginning to the end. If you want to increase the chances, let me just tell you, if you want to increase the chances of people watching your video from the beginning to the end, one thing is you can actually reduce the length of your videos. You don't want to come and be posting 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and it's not like it's lifestyle or one movie. Do you understand? So you want to, at most 8 minutes is fine. At most 8 minutes is fine, because you want to ensure that people are watching over the average of your video. Do you understand? You want to ensure that people are watching more than half of your video, because it's going to quickly get you to your watch hours, to your 4,000 watch hours. Do you understand? So reduce the length of your video, so that, and immediately once you reduce the length of your video, immediately you start your video, you want to go straight to the point. Go straight to the point so that you will keep people hooked on your channel. Do you understand? That's the first thing. Reduce the length and go straight to the point. Now, the second one is you want to ensure you are putting hooks, because remember I mentioned that one of the reasons is some people just skip. So in order to avoid them skipping, put something like at the beginning of your video. You can let them know, okay, this is what you are going to see as you continue in today's video. Don't skip this video. Do you understand? So you use those things as hooks to keep them. If it's maybe you have a cooking channel, you can show them the end result of your channel and then tell them, oh, you're going to show them exactly the recipe you used. Even you can even tell them that if they wait to continue watching, you show them where and how you got so ingredients at a much affordable price. Do you understand? Some of those things are hooks that would keep people watching your videos to the end. If at this point if you've watched this point and you don't understand the hooks you can use for your own channel, you can let me know in the comment section and let me see how I can help you with that. And of course, you can give this video a thumbs up so you can get to more content creators like you and me. This is really going to help us. No selfishness on this YouTube platform. Okay, and of course you can subscribe. Why not? Now, one other thing you want to be doing on your videos, right, is this. If you want people to be able to stay, or you don't want them to just keep skipping, what you can do is to actually include chapters or timestamps. I already have a video on YouTube where I talked about how to use these timestamps, and they are very, very good. In fact, I explained the benefits of using timestamps on your videos in that particular video that I created. Okay, so, and I'm going to drop that video at the end of this one. Okay, so what you want to do is put in chapters and title your chapters the right way. See, I've seen a lot of people, they will put in chapters, but you know what they are doing? They'll just do chapter 1, chapter 2, or point 1, point 2, tip 1, tip 2. No, you want to, even if you are putting in your chapters, you want to ensure that those chapters are actually optimized so it can favor you. Do you understand? So it can favor you. So what you want to ensure that you are doing is, as you are putting your chapters, you are titling them the right way. Now, this is going to help in such a way that anybody that comes to your YouTube video to watch, you know what? You can just tell them that this video is probably a long one, you just tell them, but you know what, relax. You can just go to the description box. You're going to see I already put the video into chapters, so just go exactly to the chapter you want and start watching. I've seen big content creators do this particular thing, and the reason is they don't want people to just start skipping and affecting the algorithm for them. So people can easily go there and watch, and it's even going to help you to promote your videos on other platforms outside of YouTube, especially Google. And you know how many people go on Google to search for stuff. So this is it. If you've not still liked this video at this point, please do it to give it a thumbs up. You need me to guide you through your YouTube channel, you want help in one way or the other, you want to address some of your challenges, you want me to go through your YouTube studio, your analytics, your channel, you want a channel review, you want all of these things, you can just get registered for my YouTube one-on-one coaching session. Get registered via my seller store link. It's right there in the description box, and we can have this lovely coaching session together. And of course, if you do not know, I have a comprehensive and easy to understand, beginner friendly video editing course. You want to also get that from my seller store. And of course, if you want to get registered for my one-on-one coaching session on video editing, still get registered via my seller store. And yes, I'll see you on my next video. Stay happy, stay focused, don't give up on your channel. Okay, if you're thinking of giving up, cancel that thought right now. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.